All right behind me we've got the COODY 17.2 Familia Pro inflatable tent from RBM Outdoors. People have been asking to see this tent in the pouring rain. Apparently they don't believe that it's waterproof, but it is waterproof, and I even just posted a video the other day to show you how to make it even more waterproof for free. It is 8:36 p.m. right now. It is just about to get dark, and it is also just about to pour on us. We're supposed to have some bad thunderstorms tonight, literally starting at any minute. I'm watching the water back there to see the drops start to fall, and I do not have the rain fly on this tent. Now let me tell you what I've been doing to prepare for this. I have all the canvas closed on all the windows and the doors. If you have your mesh open and it rains, you're gonna get wet. Beep. I know, I'm a nerd. But seriously, yes, this thing is waterproof without the rain fly. I have gone to each of these windows and made sure that every flap of canvas is closed. We've got big flaps, we have small flaps, we have another flap under that flap. There are lots of zippers and Velcro. You have to make sure that they are all closed. And I'm gonna show you what I mean on this window right here. You can see that we have a flap hanging down here right now. If we lift this one up, you can see that there is our mesh window, and you can see straight into the tent. Now, we have to make sure that this one is zipped first, and I'm not happy that I just flipped this up and found what appears to be a wasp nest up there. All right, I'm not sure if that's what it was or not, but I got it cleaned off of there. Welcome to nature. So back to business. We make sure that this canvas flap is zipped. Then you have two zippers on this flap. Make sure the first one is zipped. Second one is zipped. Make sure that's done on both sides. That's going to give you multiple layers against the rain. Smooth out your Velcro on the bottom. This one's closed as well. Inside zipper, outside zipper, both sides, both zippers. Smooth out your Velcro. Everything's closed over here. Close your canvas on the front. Close your canvas on the sides, close your canvas on the back. I don't see any raindrops yet, but it's coming. So inside this tent, since it's about to get dark, I did hang some little lanterns. We've got 3 lanterns hanging up here. We've got our skylights. It's gonna get really dark in a minute, so those skylights aren't gonna do us any good. But as soon as it starts pouring, I'm gonna be in here. You're gonna be with me, and we're gonna experience this tent in pouring rain as you've been requesting. So we're hanging out here on the deck, waiting for some rain. It is the 4th of July weekend. That's why you hear all these bangs. All right, we got a little lightning coming. Wind is starting to pick up. Sky is getting dark. All right, here it comes. Let's go. Yep, it's starting to come down. Good thing I got this thing staked in good. All right, you can see the rain's starting to come down good. Let's go ahead and get inside. All right. Get this zipped up. Let's go ahead and get in our little cove back here. That's bone dry. There's nothing coming in anywhere. Everything is bone dry in here, and it will stay dry no matter how hard this rain gets. I mean, you can hear it coming down. Got some lightning and thunder going on. Whoa, nice. That's why I love these skylights. Yeah, there you go. Now you can hear it coming down. I'll show you all the seams here. There's no water getting in anywhere. Along the edges, along the top. Show you around the floor here. This is the removable floor. There's no water getting in. Nothing coming in through the zippers on the front door. Nothing coming in through the zippers on the back door. Nothing coming in through the skylight. Yep, every seam is bone dry. I don't know what else I can show you. I mean, there's no water getting in anywhere. You can see the lightning, you can hear the rain, you can see the rain up here. Nothing getting in through any of the seams. Yep. I'm soaking wet because it's 90 degrees in here. But I mean, yeah, you can see for yourself. It's dry in here. There's no water getting in through any of the seams anywhere at all. I'm going to turn out these lights and go on outside. Show you that it is still raining and how hard. Alright, here we go. Yeah, look at that. It's still coming down and I gotta go out and get soaked in it now. Coming down, lightning and thunder. Here's the tent. Just sitting there taking it like a man. Turn off the flash a minute and we'll get some lightning. Here's all the rain just rolling off of it. Not a drop getting on the inside. Look at that, just rolling right off. Only thing wet is the bugs. Alright, well, there you go. If that's not good enough, let me know. I'll try to summon up a better storm.